It's the first night of Christmas at Dunham Massey 2024 and we're here to check it all out.
Here's what's coming up! It's Christmas!
Means I don't think that's going to be the star of the show. Getting in with the puns!
No. This is like the Raven Zone.
Ho ho ho! So we are in and the first stop is all the food and drink options. Plenty of choice, isn't there?
Also a box office if you've got any questions about the trail.
Yeah, tickets, etc.
Yeah.
All booked online. But yeah, anything else you need to pop over there.
Yep.
But yeah, food-wise, you've got everything from loaded fries, pizza, barbecue. You've got gyros and things from Cyprus.
Yeah. We've got a bar.
Just don't be a bar humbug tonight.
Say, at least it's not a bar humbug.
Bit of everything.
Everything you would expect from a Christmas trail, other than toasted marshmallows.
I reckon they might be further in the trail.
Yeah, might be actually on the trail.
We're not alone tonight, are we, Zoe?
We're not.
We're not. We are joined by the wonderful Kershaw's Adventures. Ollie's over there, swinging away. He's having a swinging good time.
There he is. Loving life.
You looking forward to tonight?
Oh yes, definitely. This is the best event of like in the north for Christmas.
Absolutely.
I mean that's a high bar.
That is a statement.
Yeah.
This is our favourite.
We love this place. We come every single year.
These guys are vlogging as well, so go and check out their vlog. I'll pop the link to that in the description.
Thank you very much.
But yeah, let's let Ollie have a bit of fun on the rides. How much were the tokens? They weren't cheap, were they?
£3 a token. So £3 a ride, 4 rides in total.
Yeah, then food, then crack on with the Christmas lights.
Like it.
Kind of like a lamp.
Christmas crack on.
Whoop whoop. What are you going for eat, Sol? Hot dog. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. On pizza for dinner. You've gone barbecue chicken.
I have.
And I've gone pepperoni, 2 Cokes as well, £30 total. So
That's not bad
for an
considering they're, I don't know what size they are, but they're like
decent size.
clay oven cooked pizzas and yeah,
They
we're
look
at a Christmas event. So
They look good.
That's not bad.
They look good, they smell good. Looking forward to this.
Yeah.
Good?
Your microphones might be a bit cheesy afterwards.
Oh, cheesy mics, no one wants those. Thoughts on the food then?
Really good, really good.
It was.
I'd say that was restaurant standard pizza.
Yeah,
So
yummy wood-fired pizza.
really good.
Yummy, but now the time has come to head into the light trail.
So first time here, we've done other National Trust sites. For
Bedgebury.
example, yeah, Bedgebury is Kew Gardens. That's run by the same people, but it's not National Trust.
It's not National Trust, no. So
but really excited.
looking
Brand
forward
new
to this one.
setting. See what they're doing this year.
Christmas is starting now.
Yeah, and Gaz and Janolly rate this one like that. This is their top. So
We will wait and
Let's
see.
experience it.
Let's do it. On the first light tunnel.
yeah, really
That
good.
was cool. It's not something I've seen in a light trail before. So
No, obviously you get light tunnels, but the stars were all called effect in that one, and the fact that they done all different colours and chased each other, that was very cool.
And the fact that's the first light exhibit, whatever you want to call it, means I don't think that's going to be the star of the show. Getting in with the puns.
No. that remind you of? Look, just look that way and what vibes. Block out the Christmas music.
Going to Into the Fog.
Yeah.
Halloween Horror Nights. Wrong season, sorry.
Yeah.
So we're not even halfway through yet, and there's some cool looking bits over there. I think they've done a good job.
You could say they've done a good job there.
Marshmallows, hot drinks, and the one that's drawn my eye, hot cookie dough. Hot cookie dough, yes.
To be fair, I've never
Please.
seen hot cookie dough at a light trail.
I haven't either, but I'm not saying no.
Are you saying no to marshmallows for cookie dough?
Yes, yes is exactly what I'm saying. Got my Biscoff cookie dough.
It doesn't look the most appealing, I do have to say.
It doesn't. It tastes nice. Would I pay £8.50? Probably not.
Well, you did.
Yes, I did. But I'm enjoying it.
Yeah,
I am
good.
enjoying it.
Good. This is like the Raven Zone. I feel like I need glow sticks. I think they're a bit big to just...
Hello. Ho, ho, ho. Got a big time camera. I've got some work to do. Got to finish off making some toys. But it's been lovely chatting to you. You have an absolutely wonderful time. There's plenty more to see on the trail. And I wish you a happy, jolly Christmas.
Santa told us there's more to come, and Santa
was
doesn't
right.
lie. There is more of the trail still to go. And yesterday was the actual Crystal Maze, and it's come here to Dunham Massey.
For anyone who doesn't know, whilst we were up in Manchester with Gaz and Janolly, we went to Crystal Maze, didn't we? So
It was amazing, highly recommend it, but this vlog is not about that.
No.
This is about Dunham Massey. And that is going to do it for our evening here, opening night of Dunham Massey 2024. Have you enjoyed yourself?
It's been incredible.
It's been a really, really good light trail.
Yeah.
Up there as one of my favourites, I think.
Yeah.
So some very cool installations. The stars at the beginning, the trees, the dancing trees, they were cool.
Yeah, that was my favourite, the dancing trees.
Yeah,
Hot
really.
air balloons.
That was
they
cool
were
as well.
Yeah.
Honestly,
Yeah.
really, really good event. If you are coming, then drop us a comment below.
We'll leave the prices for this year's
on the
event.
screen, right here.
Yeah.
Right here. But yeah, come and check it out. Really recommend it. Thanks again to the Kershaws.
Asking us
for
to come along.
Yeah, for a lovely evening.
Yeah.
If you haven't already, go and subscribe to their channel as well. Check out their vlog. I'll leave it down in the description. But until our next Christmas adventure, we shall see you
Real soon.
Bye. Merry Christmas.